Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2004 Toyota Sienna converted by IMS. IMS was purchased between 2005 and 2006 by Braun. Braun did a good thing and they bought out the company that started the minivan side entry conversions, IMS, and this is their ramp van model. So I'll point out any items as we see it and we're walking around. Vehicle does have some wear for its age. You've got some scrapes on this front bumper across the front here. There's a scrape there. So some exterior paint condition items. Vehicle does have new tires on it, so the rubber's good all the way around. Got a little scrape in the paint there and some door dings here. Overall, vehicle's in good shape. All skirts are in good working order. And you've got some scrapes here on the caps of the bumper. And a little bit of scrapes here. This does have the aftermarket parking sensors. So as you're backing up, you'll get an audio alert as you get closer to objects. So that way you don't bump into something when you're backing up. There's a dent there. Little scrape there. But like I said, good overall shape for its year and miles. Okay, so how the conversion works is we unlock the vehicle, and then this remote fob added by IMS has A and B. A is open, B is closed. So I just give a good solid 2.5 second press on that button, and that'll open the door. And then as part of the system's operation, we'll make sure the door is open before the ramp then comes out. This is a power bifold ramp, so it sits next to the door, folds away in half, so that way you have visibility out of the rear window still. And it has this nice tall side rails since it is the fold out. You've got a big open area here with this nice rubberized flooring, so the person in the wheelchair would sit here. You have 3 seat belts across here. As the person is sitting here, they face forward, and these grooves all along the floor are where you tie in the anchor system. So you've got a set of manual straps in here, and basically you strap the wheelchair down. 2 straps in the front, 2 in the back, and then we have a seatbelt buckle as well that goes around the person, so that way they're secure. Vehicle is an LE model, so it's got all the standard features of that particular trim. CD player, cassette deck. You've got a clock there in the middle, front and rear AC. You've got controls back here as well. Vehicle has just over 100,000 miles. And we'll go check out underneath the hood. This door, something to note, is manual on this side, but it's also been lowered. So some conversions, they didn't lower that passenger side door. This one does have a full lower door, is what they call it. That way you can get in and out of that side if somebody was in here and you wanted to keep this door open or closed with the ramp next to the door there. So to close this one, we're then gonna hit B, and B is closed, so that'll start the door close sequence by getting the ramp out of the way. And then once that's up in there, then the door closes. .3 Toyota engine, very reliable, fuel efficient, and a good amount of power for this size of car. Something I did want to show you inside the car as well before we go to the back is the front seats have been modified. Well, they haven't been modified, but they've been added to these removable pedestals. So both of these pedestals come out. So normal day-to-day driving, or if you've got somebody that's not in a wheelchair driving, like I just pulled this out, you can sit in the seat. Your gas pedals are still there. You steer. But then if you ever wanted to, that seat comes out, or the passenger does, if you had the ability to drive from the wheelchair or sit up front, see over the dashboard. Then we do have lots of trunk room back here, get it unlocked. And then you have a donut spare tire that's mounted here by the conversion company, since the original one was in a different place, but when they modified it, they had to put it there. You do have the power lift gate back here as well. So there's a button on the key fob for the power lift gate. So good overall vehicle, great price for the year and miles, and it's ready for you to take home today. Thank you so much for watching.